color like this.
Oh.
What she do?
She rolled over.
He went over the giraffe. See.
Help her sign her mommy's day card. It's for mommy. So let's see if she can. Sabrina is gonna sign her mommy's day card. Oh, and she just wants to turn over.
Whoa.
She just wants to turn over.
It rolled over the giraffe again.
Mm-hmm.
It rolled over.
Well, she did do some stuff. There's Johnny. Happy Mother's Day.